Stop wasting much of your milk and espresso while you're practicing your latte art skills. Instead, let me show you an easy way that you can practice and grow your latte art skills to make a perfect latte art without wasting much of your milk and espresso. As a barista, the most important key thing that will enable you to grow and make a perfect latte art is to practice constantly. This is why I've made this video, to enable you practice constantly without wasting much of your milk and espresso. This is a part 2 of my previous video where I showed you the easiest way that you can practice your latte art skills by using only water. You don't need an espresso machine or milk or espresso. You only need water to practice and grow your latte art skills. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it in the description below. You can check it out after this video. But for this video, we're going to use an espresso machine, but we're going to extract our shot of espresso and we're going to steam our milk perfectly. We're going to start by practicing the basic latte art designs like the heart, tulip, rosetta and the swan. Then we're going to try the advanced latte art patterns while using the same cup of coffee that we made at first. So we're going to start by extracting our double shot of espresso, steaming our milk, and we're going to draw the most basic latte art. After making our latte art design, we're going to have coffee grinds. This is going to act as our base. That is going to enable us practice the different latte art designs. Each time that we practice, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of coffee grinds to act as our base. The biggest advice I would give to anyone who wants to become a barista and grow your latte art skills to make the different latte art design is to practice constantly. You start by practicing one latte art design, starting with the basic latte art, which is the heart, then going in for the tulip, then rosetta and the swan. By mastering these 4 basic latte art designs, it will enable you make the advanced latte arts like the horse, seahorse and many more others. This video here, it gives you the basic knowledge that you need to practice and grow your latte art skills.